In this video, we're going to be learning about function machines. Essentially, a function machine is having an input value and a range of operations trying to seek what our output values would be. So, with an input value of 3 and adding 3, we get 6. Then taking 6 and timesing it by 4, we get 24. And this is my output value. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Starting with an input value of 8 and adding 2 gives me 10. Taking 10 and multiplying it by 8 gives me 80, which is then my output value.